Ladies and gentlemen, it is very, very funny how people behave. Now, the wife of late Christian Atsu posted a video where she was dancing, and then people started criticizing her negatively. Some were calling her different kind of names. Why would she be dancing when her husband died about 4 months ago? I really don't understand. So because her husband died now, so she will not be living her life again. And she even came out and replied to people. And she started explaining her own self that she has to come back to her dancing again. She's even a dancer. This is what gives her joy. And she's been in her own space all this while trying to get back herself. It's been a hard time for her. Even her children are asking her, where is daddy, where is daddy? Mentally, she is actually fighting a lot just to make sure that she is okay. And now people are criticizing her just because she has come out to be happy, to do something that she loves to do. So at least she can gain some little happiness again after much time of mourning. I want to tell you people, those of you that are criticizing her, maybe you should put yourself in her shoes, and then you understand properly what she's facing. And sometimes if you watch most of these people that are talking, you find that most of them are evil men. And it's so painful, because if a man does this thing, nobody will say anything. A friend of mine the other day, his wife died. After his wife died, and when they were doing the burial ceremony, the funeral, he came with his side chick. Nobody said anything. He has been doing everything. If he was working, let's say he's a dancer, for example, as a job, do you think the work will give him 4 months to be money? Highest they will give to you is 2 days. After the burial, you come back to work. Will you tell your company that you will not work? Please. What am I trying to say is this. If somebody lost someone and the person has been mourning for almost 4 months, and then the person decides now, okay, I have to be happy once again, please don't criticize her, because criticizing her now will even give her more mental problem. Please. Even me hearing these things that you are saying about her, I'm even having more problem now. I went to see my daughter today. My daughter said I should be sleeping more, that I need more sleep. People problem you put it on your head. You're drinking Panadol on people's headache. Rubbish. Let me go and sleep. My daughter said I need more sleep. Let me go and sleep.